Hello students, welcome to Vasavi Education Hub. So today we will discuss the topic polarography. Subtopic is dropping mercury electrode and we will discuss advantages, disadvantages and types of currents in polarography we will discuss. Okay. Student ఈరోజు మనము డ్రాపింగ్ మెర్క్యూరీ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, అడ్వాంటేజెస్ అండ్ డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ డ్రాపింగ్ మెర్క్యూరీ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ అండ్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ కరెంట్స్ ఇన్ డ్రాపింగ్ polarography టాపిక్ we will discuss. ఈరోజు మనం ఇవి నేర్చుకుందాం. ఓకే రైట్ నెక్స్ట్ రైట్ సో డ్రాపింగ్ మెర్క్యూరీ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్. సో here so dropping mercury electrode is used as working electrode or indicator electrode. Okay student, right? So here in polarography we have two types of electrodes. One is working electrode, another one is reference electrode. Working electrode and another one is reference electrode, right? So reference electrode already we know very well. Reference electrode is acts as a anode and working electrode is acts as a cathode, right? Clear student? So reference electrode is acts as a anode and working electrode is acts as a cathode, right? Already we know very well reference electrodes. ఇక్కడ మనకు reference electrode general గా saturated calomel electrode or we can take mercury pool. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా మనము saturated secondary reference electrode గా తీసుకోవచ్చు, right? So these reference electrodes has large surface area. ఈ reference electrode కు large surface area ఉంటుంది. ఓకే సో వర్కింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ మనం ఇండికేటర్ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ అంటున్నాం. So this working electrode has small surface area. So this working electrode also we can called as micro electrode and good antam, right? So has small surface area which can sense the metal ions in experimental solution or analyte solution. It acts as cathode, right? So ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, మెటల్ అయాన్స్ ఆర్ మైగ్రేట్ టువర్డ్స్ ద డ్రాపింగ్ మెర్క్యూరీ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్. అంటే ఈ ఎనలైట్ సొల్యూషన్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి మెటల్ అయాన్స్ అనేవి మీ మెర్క్యూరీ డ్రాప్ పైకి వెళ్తాయి, అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి అవి రెడ్యూస్ అవుతాయి. సో దెర్స్ ఫోర్ దిస్ మెర్క్యూరీ డ్రాప్ ఆర్ డ్రాపింగ్ మెర్క్యూరీ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ యాక్ట్స్ యాజ్ ఎ cathode, right? So already we know very well. So where it takes place reduction, right? So here in cathode reduction is takes place and dropping mercury electrode has large polarizable, but the reference electrode is non-polarizable electrode. Already manam first lecture lo chusam, right? So it is non-polarizable, but the dropping mercury electrode is polarizable. Right here you can see, so this is mercury drop, right? It is mercury drop. So these positive charges are metal ions, right? So the metal ions are attract towards the drop surface of the mercury. Okay, so therefore here it is mercury drop in, it is positive and negative, and here it develops some electrical double layer. ikkada em avutundi, electrical double layer form avutundi, or we can call it as Helmholtz double layer antam. Electrical double layer or we can call it as Helmholtz double layer. So ila manaku ee positive negative valla em avutundi, some potential is developed, right? So this is, that's why, so this dropping mercury electrode we are calling as polarizable electrode. Okay, right? So what is happening student? So this, for example, Zn plus 2 ions in the analyte solution, right? So it takes the electrons and it reduced as zinc and then it is deposit over the mercury, then it form as amalgam. Em form chestundandi ikkada, amalgam form chestundi. Alage if the analyte solution has cadmium ion, so the cadmium ion take the electrons and it is reduced as cadmium and then it is deposited over the mercury, then it form cadmium mercury amalgam. Okay, clear student, right? So this is dropping mercury electrode structure, right? Here this is mercury reservoir. ikkada manamu mercury తీసుకుంటాం, ఇందులోపట large amount of mercury ఉంటుంది and here you can see, so this is a capillary. ఇక్కడ ఒక capillary ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా నేను చూపించాను కదా capillary, right? So the diameter of capillary is 0.5 mm, right? So ikkada chudandi meeku oka mercury drop form ayindi, right? So generally the drop surface of this is 1 mm, right? Diameter ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 1 diameter, right? So general గా at the bottom ఇక్కడ mercury flow అవుతుంది కదా, right? So generally the size of the drop increases when the time is change up, right? So ఇక్కడ చూడండి, so time ప్రకారం చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. When it reaches 1 diameter, then it is fall down into the analyte solution. So generally it takes up to 3 to 6 seconds, right? So 3 to 6 seconds it can form new drop will be formed at the bottom of this mercury electrode, right? Here you can see, so this dropping mercury electrode is in the beaker. So we have two electrodes. One is auxiliary electrode, another one is reference electrode. We are taking calomel electrode, right? So what is the role of this auxiliary electrode? So auxiliary electrode can maintain, there is no change in the electrode potential of calomel electrode. So because ikkada enti, so calomel electrode reduction potential is 0.2423 volts, right? So generally when the current and voltage, here we are applying potential across the current and voltage. Current nu manamu electricity ని మనము current and voltage కు across గా apply చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? So change in the potential of calomel electrode. So here that's why we are taking, which is connecting with a auxiliary electrode. So it suppress the electrode potential of calomel electrode. So the electrode potential nu so change కాకుండా అది మెయింటైన్ చేస్తుంది, రైట్? అలాగే ఇక్కడ మనము KCl కూడా తీసుకుంటాం, and also here large amount of KCl we are taking. So this KCl is acts as a supporting electrolyte. So this KCl is acts as a supporting electrolyte. Okay students, so KCl is acts as a supporting and also so some amount of gelatin will be placed in this solution as well as analyte solution. Okay, right? So here you can see generally what is happening, student. So the metal ions are moved towards the dropping mercury electrode. It is due to the electrostatic attraction because of potential applied across the cathode and anode. Because of these ions reduced some current is produced. So ante ikkada enti, ikkada manamu potential applied across the cathode and anode. So because of these ions are reduced, right? So ee metal ions ela reduce avutunayi. For example, Zn+2 is reduced as Zn, cadmium+2 reduced as Cad. So ila reduce ayinappudu some current is produced. So konta current nu produce chestunayi. So this current is called as migration current. Okay, so this is very important, right? So generally the migration current depends on the transport number of ion, right? So ఈ migration current అనేది దేనిపైన డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది? ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మెటల్ అయాన్స్ పైన. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ మెటల్ అయాన్స్ ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి డ్రాపింగ్ మెర్క్యూరీ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్. సో ఈ మైగ్రేషన్ కరెంట్ అనేది డిపెండ్ ఆన్ transport number of metal ions. It means if the transport number of metal ions 0, the migration current will be 0. So to make migration current 0, a salt of KCl is added to the solution. So ఈ migration current ను మనము 0 ఉండడానికి మనము ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? KCl solution యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. So this KCl will lower the transport number of metal ions as more and more KCl is added. ఈ migration current ను మనం 0 చేయడానికి ఏం చేయాలి? So more and more amount of KCl is added. So therefore here the migration current is decreased. When the large amount of KCl about 35 to 100 times more than the reducible metal ions is added, then the transport number of metal ions reduced to 0. So the migration current is reduced to 0. Such electrolyte is called as supporting electrolyte. So hence here KCl is acts as a supporting electrolyte. Okay, clear student? So this is about dropping mercury electrode. Clear, right? So next we will move to the advantages and disadvantages of dropping mercury electrodes. Means why we are choosing dropping mercury electrode as a working electrode, right? So here dropping mercury electrode has various advantages in polarography. Okay, right. The first advantage is the surface of mercury drop is reproducible. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, సో మెర్క్యూరీ డ్రాప్ అనేది సో it forms renewal అంటే reproducible. ఒక డ్రాప్ is fall into the analyte solution, again it form a new drop. So mean generally it takes 3 to 6 seconds. Okay student, right? So means reproducible అవుతా ఉంటుంది, right? Next, the regular renewal of drop surface eliminate the toxic effect. అంటే ఇక్కడ రెగ్యులర్ గా ఒక కొత్త రీప్రొడ్యూస్ అవ్వడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, ఇంప్యూరిటీస్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నా ఆర్ ఎనీ టాక్సిక్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆర్ పాసివిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్. సో ఈ రెన్యువల్ అవ్వడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, ఎలిమినేట్స్ సర్ఫేస్ పైన ఏమైనా టాక్సిక్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా అండ్ పాజిటివిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్స్ విల్ బి ఎలిమినేట్, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్, ద హై ఓవర్ పొటెన్షియల్ ఫర్ H+ reduction at the mercury surface, therefore H+ reduction does not interface with many reductions. Okay, right? Next, it has a wide useful range of potential for working, that is minus 0.4 volts to plus 0.4 plus 2.0 volts, in which almost metal ions get reduced, right? So these are the advantages of dropping mercury electrode, why we are choosing dropping mercury electrode as working. Okay, right? So the disadvantages of dropping mercury electrode, right? The capillary will block because the capillary is diameter is very small, that is 0.5. If any impurities are coming from the dropping mercury electrode, so then the capillary will be blocked. So this is the disadvantage. It is working potential is small, so the potential is very small. So only in this range the metal ions will be, means those metal ions are having, so this reduction potential range, only these kind of metal ions will be reduced at the dropping mercury electrode, right? So that is also a disadvantage. It causes environmental pollution. So because we are mercury, so mercury is a toxic element, so it causes environmental pollution. Next, it needs the KCl have high purity. So because we are taking KCl as a supporting electrolyte to reduce the migration current, so that's why we need KCl as high purity, right? That means 99.9% of KCl salt will be required. Next, there may be maxima in polarographic waves, right? So generally already we know very well about polarigram. So this is a polarigram. So here it is formed across the current versus voltage applied. So if any changes in the current, so therefore here the graph will be like this. So due to the change in the potential difference, so that's why ఇక్కడ ఏంటి మనకి ఏదైనా కరెంట్ చేంజెస్ అవ్వాలి, కరెంట్ ఫ్లక్చువేషన్ అయినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ పొలరోగ్రాఫ్ లోపల ఈ వేవ్ అనేటువంటిది కూడా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో దీన్నే మనము మాక్సిమా అంటాం. సో దీన్నే పొలరోగ్రఫిక్ వీ కెన్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ మాక్సిమా. సో హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు మెయింటైన్, so these kind of maximas will not occur in the polarigram. So ఇలాంటి మనము రాకుండా మనము చూసుకోవాలి, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్, a mercury electrode is not very useful for performing oxidation, right? So oxidations ku general ga ee dropping mercury electrode is not suitable because the mercury electrode is too oxidized. So kabatti enti ikkada manaku oxidized evaina metal ions unte manam indulo తీసుకోవడానికి లిమిటేషన్ అన్నట్టు, ఎందుకంటే సో బికాస్ ద మెర్క్యూరీ ఈజ్ టూ ఆక్సిడైజ్, అది తొందరగా ఆక్సిడైజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి మనం తీసుకునేటువంటి ఎనలైట్ సొల్యూషన్ లోపల ఏవైనా కూడా ఆక్సిడైజ్ అయ్యేటువంటి మెటల్ అయాన్స్ ఉండకుండా మనం చూసుకోవాలి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద అడ్వాంటేజెస్ అండ్ డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్ ఆఫ్ మెటల్ అయాన్స్. ఓకే, క్లియర్ స్టూడెంట్, రైట్?